How to log into Walgreens Employee Portal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into Walgreens Employee Portal. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First is open up a web browser. Any web browser is fine. And then head over to the search bar and search for Walgreens Employee Portal. After you search for that, you'll find different options for the login here. So let's open up the first one, and from here you can log in into your Walgreens. So this is one way. There are other different websites as well. So here you can see mypassword.walgreens.com. You can open that up and it will basically open up the very same website. So all you have to do is use your one ID here, then your password right here, and then tap on sign on to log in into your account. And it's basically that simple. And yeah, that's all for today's video as well. If you've forgotten your password, there is an option here to reset it as well. So just log in and you're good to go. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.